husband. Kaya sa mga wala ng kabalo, palagi ang kanta nga gimahal kayo natong tanan is actually a song he released independently. So buti pasabot, wala siya'y backer, wala siya'y big company, wala siya'y big music label backing him up. He did it on his own. And before na natabo, mga last year, ano na siya nga, mag-business na lang ko lagi, maragwa na siya pag-asa sa music. But like the message of this song, if it is meant to happen for you, it will happen for you. Because in a span of less than a year, TJ is now one of the most streamed artists in the Philippines. And there are more songs coming which I know you guys will definitely appreciate. So if you were going through something, actually ako po, this is also a reminder to me. Because I think I'm in my season of waiting. Na it's so easy to give in sa feeling of defeat. Na marag, ihapag na madyod na ako tanan, huwag madyod ko'y kadaugan eh. But, whenever I feel that, tanaw lang ko kang TJ. Because if God made it happen for TJ, He can make it happen to me. He can make it happen to you. To everybody, even the people na gitanaw ani karon wherever you are in the world. If it is meant for you, it's gonna happen for you. In the same way, nabisan unsaon pa ni magpugos ang mga butang nga dili pod meant sa imong hadi, yun na matabo. So if something is being taken away from you, buy ina. Buy ina lang na, because that only means both of your hands have to be ready for a bigger blessing, a bigger opportunity, or the love that you deserve. Buyan na mga tao nga sige, pasakit nito, dili ka ma-appreciate, buyan na. Kanang trabaho, mapiling nimo, mauna lang ang galing. Toxic ka kayo, pero mauna lang ang galing. I know, mag-story mo na DJ, sorry taas ka nino, but I'm just taking this as an opportunity to share and inspire. Dili po dali nga mo ingon nga, or just step out of your comfort zone. Kaya we don't have that privilege na pwede na ko basta-basta mag-fail. Because not all of us have a backup plan. I can't just experiment on something kay wala ko'y parents na sure ko masaluon ko sa tanan-tanan, financially, opportunities, ana. Because pwede po na, I cannot experiment, I cannot just step out of my comfort zone because my family is depending on me. But sometimes we just have to take that leap of faith. Because if success was easy, if happiness was easy, na makuha dayon, if peace was easy na makuha dayon, then kita tanan walay problema. But we just have to make that decision to try. To fight for ourselves, for our dreams, for our families, for the people that we love. Wala to, nahurot na ako ang time sa kanta. Next song na lang tayo. But yeah. If it's meant to happen, it's gonna happen. So if you know this song, please sing with me. Davao. Are we ready? Di ba ako gusto yung